1970 GTO build, start to finish. It has a Pontiac 400 engine, makes around 500 horsepower to the flywheel. This is us taking it to the engine builder to get it refreshened up. Engine tear down. This is me taking the rocker arms off. Took the heavy cast iron heads off. We continue with the tear down. It has Mega Valley braces in it for support. Then we took it to the paint shop. The first thing they did was take the whole car apart. They stripped the paint down to bare metal. They found damage and corrosion underneath the paint, so we needed new sheet metal. More damage. This is the right rear quarter panel that needed to be replaced. This is the hood getting ready for primer. Sanding it all down. While that was going on, we stripped the front end, getting the firewall and frame ready for paint. Painted everything and started reassembling the front end. Boulder disc brakes up front. We got the rear quarter panel replaced on the passenger side, and we're getting the fenders lined up and getting it ready for primer. Now that it's back in primer, it's starting to look like a car again. At this stage in the build, we were making sure everything fit together properly. We went with the factory color called Orbit Orange. I forgot to mention it has a 4-speed manual transmission that's fully built, and it also has 410 gears in the rear end. There's some pictures of the engine bay completed. Put back together. Here's like the final stages of the build. This is it before we put the stripes on. This is it on a flatbed ready to get shipped off. This is my granddad standing next to it, the owner of the car. He took her to a car show and he won Best in Show. Looking good. It sound good too. He passed away shortly after. I'm glad he had a chance to have fun in it.